In this video, I'm going to show you a very good data entry job that you can do at home. As you can see, this website is called copywriter.com, and what you can do on this website is basically write for this website and earn money whenever you want. As you can see here, it says build your own client base, earn up to $80 per 500 words once promoted up the ranks, and write as much or as little as you want. So that basically means you don't have to wake up a certain time. You can just start when you want and stop whenever you want. So here you can see some more information. So how does it work? How much jobs there are posted, the writers and the articles written. And here are the samples, but you can become iWriter today by hitting this button. And this is a great website if you want to make some more money at home and you don't want to be in stuff like traffic jams. You can just work from home or from your bed. You basically want to hit become iWriter. So this is a very easy data entry job you can do by copywriting. You can enter this in, but make sure you live in North America, Europe, or Australia, and then you can be accepted within 2 weeks. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe. I'll see you next time.